Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the LENSGO wireless microphone system. This is the model 348C, only one unit. They do also make this in a 2-unit piece so that you get 2 microphones, 1 receiver, and this is fairly interesting. It's I think the retail price is a little under $170 US. This was sent over by the manufacturer for review, but part of what makes this unique, besides the SD card recording option, is that it has a physical record button to actually start recording from the mic, which is a nice novelty, I would say. Whether or not you'll find it useful, obviously a matter of what you plan on doing. But let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. Again, I think right now there is a $30 off coupon, so that'll bring you to around $140, which makes this pretty affordable. It also comes in a charging case, which is it's pretty cool. I didn't know that it was literally a microphone lav mock-up. That's pretty cute. I give LENSGO some credit there. That's definitely unique. Creativity always gets some sort of mark from me. Now, in terms of inside the packaging here, we've got a lav, I believe, to hook up. Maybe we don't have a lav. So we have one audio jack. They're giving you multiple connections to hook up to different devices, a Type-C to Type-A cable right there, and then the instruction manual, and that's pretty much it. Now, that's to charge the device, because this charger case, as you can see, has a Type-C port right here. You just plug it in and it charges the whole setup. And I believe this is one size fits all. There's a button right here to pop open this system, and there you have it. So very similar to what Hollyland has done with their Lark system, which is one of my favorites right now. But this is another one that it'll be interesting to see how it performs. So let's go ahead and get rid of the charging box. As adorable as it is, we don't need it for this part of the video. So I believe that they've got 7 and 8 hours respectively. The transmitter, I believe, is 7, receiver is 8. And again, we do have a micro SD card slot to record your audio here in a dedicated capacity, which I think is a pretty good feature. Let's see if I can bring that back into focus if it decides to cooperate. Looks like it's picking up that, so I'll get that out of the way. But yeah, so dedicated micro SD card slot, your Type-C port for charging, but you're not going to need to use that because, again, if you have the carry case, it'll automatically charge this up, both of them. But the carry case is fairly large, so even though it seems logical, I could see people wanting to just take these on their own and just have to charge them separately, possibly. Volume leveling here, and there's that record button that I was talking about, the dedicated record, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and see if I can pair these up, and then I might just hook it up to my FX3 and see what the audio quality is like. That's if we do have enough power. So let's hitting the power button on each of these units. Little LCD display. I don't know if that's an OLED or not. Powered up. And it looks like we're connected. Testing, testing. Well, maybe not. Still waiting to see levels here. Let's see. Did I need to hit a link button or something to that effect? I thought it showed that it was connecting. It looks like now we are connected. Testing, testing. All right, so I am seeing levels here. A little bit on the delayed side there with the levels, and it may need to be charged. Let me just see if I bring that back up again. Seeing full battery on both, so I guess that's just a slow roll on the levels, as you can see there. It doesn't seem to be picking it up in real time. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So I can't really tell if I'm clipping. This may be user error. And then the record button right there, you just hold it down, but I don't have an SD card in there, but now it is hot. Now, I don't know if this thing has built-in storage or not. I don't think it does. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Either way, I will test this out and get back to all of you. This I really like as a feature. The white color, I mean, it's really a matter of personal preference. It doesn't really matter to me. And then, of course, this has a pre-installed dead cat on the microphone, so there is no lav in this kit. You can connect one, though, but you'll have to remove this, is what my understanding. These are magnetic, which is kind of cool. If that seems appealing. I could also see how this could end up being problematic, but You know, again, LENSGO just trying to give you a little bit more of a dynamic experience. The range on these, let's see if the box states it. I think it's supposed to be fairly solid. All of these 2.4 gigahertz mics generally are 400 meters. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. If that's correct. Wait, let me see. Maybe that's not the correct, I'm reading the wrong thing. So we'll have to see what the actual range is, because 70 meters. If it was 400 meters, this would have set a world record. So 70 sounds about right. That's unobstructed. If anything's in the path, do anticipate interference or complete dropout. But that's it. Again, this was just a quick look at the LENSGO wireless mic system, the 348C. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.